Hey peeps, I'm home. Safe and sound. This guy's excited.
On the case with Parmesan. Oh, actually, Tadeo, put it on E. Find E and put it on E.
Yeah. Huh? Cinco. Okay. We're going on a little family trip. To where, I don't know. But we're going out. Did you say hi to my friends? You know you're supposed to say hi every time it goes on. He's like, every time? Yes, every time. If I have to greet them every single time, you have to greet them. And I have to greet them every single time I turn on the camera. Like, not just every day. Every time I turn on the camera, it's like, hey guys, hey, so this is what's happening. This is what y'all missed. And yeah. So yeah, today is Monday. I was about to say August. Monday, October 17th. And the 17th, right? Oh, that's so cool. Today's the 17th and we're at house number 17. But it's a holiday in Jamaica. It's here. What is it? Heroes? Mm-hmm. Heroes? And what is it called? Heroes?
18 then.
No. Remember, Papa's funeral was the 15th. That was Saturday. Sunday's the 16th. Today's the 17th. So yeah, it's, what is it? How do you say it? It's just, it's Heroes holiday or Heroes what?
It's Heroes Day.
Heroes Day. That's the end part I was looking for. So yeah, it's a holiday. No school. A few people don't have work. Surprisingly, my sister's at work. I don't know why, but that's okay. She's getting double. Get that money, shmoney. So yeah, you know. And this guy hasn't had school since last week. Last week Wednesday? Oh yeah, Tuesday he come. So yeah, last week Wednesday he hasn't had school since then, and he's not going back to school till Wednesday. Jamaicans just make up holidays and just don't like their kids to be in school. Simple as that. I mean, I see why I need for day off at school for one whole week. Him not do nothing useful. You understand? Just sit down and play. Same reason why.
Oh, yeah, they're here for a whole week.
Because my grandfather died?
Yeah.
You're asking.
You had with this, you could have just come for 2 days.
No, I could not have come for 2 days. There is no way in hell I'm gonna spend $500 to $600 on a ticket and come here for just 2 days. That's a waste of my money. It would have made more sense for me to just send down the money and not be here than to come down here for 2 days. Come Friday, day after the yard, Saturday, done. As soon as funeral done, me gonna airport, me gonna me yard. Like, what? No. No time for them. Okay, and then when I do that, you would have been like, I only can't go and Jamaica for 1 2 days. When I come for 2 weeks, him not satisfied. If I come for 6 months, him not satisfied. I'm still, you're there if you want 2 weeks, you coming like I want 2 days. So now when I coming for 2 days, you're gonna say coming like 1 2 minutes. People are never satisfied. Oh,
Black friend,
yo, close the door. Do me a bit, close it. Close the door. Hello. Close the door. Okay, because if you guys see the size of this dog, nope. Not coming out.
The murderers.
So yeah, that's a guan pa, that's a guan. We're just waiting for Daddy. I think he's up here doing something for work. And then we're gonna go get something to eat. I still got pretty good monies. pretty good monies. I didn't spend a lot this trip, actually. It's surprising. And I don't really need to bring up that much either because my armpits don't mind them, you guys. I need to shave again. At least it does stink. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
You never just cooperate. I was just do some.
What do you have to say?
Who's Daddy? Who is Daddy? Who is Daddy?
Say Daddy.
Yo, just hurry up. Just do what y'all do, y'all, man. I did talk properly. I said say hi, Daddy.
Say hi, Daddy.
I have no comments. There's comedians. Everyone in my family is a comedian. Everyone has jokes. So, Daddy, I build fame girl now. Well, fame one need for bill. Come in, know what that. If you're living at this a nice neighborhood, you have that as grill. Somebody must break into that. Live a bog and him looks so. Well, I'm sure no. I'm sure no a house. This grill. Oh. Huh? What? Don't show them the what? Anyways, I know for him fault if them not care for it. And now he's doing this grill. See the difference? So yeah, it's about time that it's done. I think I should have told you guys before that my dad is a welder. He makes grills, burglar bars, whatever you guys want to call them. So if you guys are in the Montego Bay area and you guys are looking for somebody affordable to make those things for you, let me know. Contact me. I'll give you his information. And yeah, he's very well recommended. You can ask anybody. Like I think he's done stuff for a lot of people.
Everybody in Jamaica know that.
Honestly, and like especially for like a lot of the like foreign people who come out here and like build and stuff like that, he's the one who's like really recommended for those things. So if you're interested, let me know. I'll try to. I used to have pictures, but not on this computer. But I sent him some, so if I can, I'll insert some pictures of his work, and that way y'all can see what he's been doing. But he's been doing this for like over 20 years, because I'm almost 30. So almost 30 years actually, or maybe even 30 years, because he was doing it before me. Actually, he was a taxi man. He used to sell juice. He used to work at one juice place. So I don't actually know if he was doing it in that time or in between time or whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but yeah, if you need girls, he's your man. Oh God, here he comes back, unfortunately. Which one? Oh God. Oh no, I'm not going to embarrass him, so. I'm not going to embarrass the man, so. In case anybody from my videos, them watch him. Of course, we have dogs bigger than that.
Alright. Support the dog and temperate, man.
What?
Exactly.
What?
Yes, damn bad at that with them.
What's up?
Daddy, come in, Ivan.
Alright.
Daddy, say hi.
Hi. That's a daddy this time.
Family vacation. Ooh, no passports required.
Nope.
It's supposed to be a beach day today, but you know how that goes. All this radio, I could have been listening to my Kenny Chest and thing, you know?
You say now, you remember every day now.
Make my man test it here.
Huh?
Listen, let me technician test the look on it and see if it's something I can fix. If I don't cost me no way, my money I fix it.
You better fix it. Cost me money to buy it.
Yeah, but sometimes when you don't pay for it, when you don't fix the video, make up and buy one.
Oh. Never mind, you guys, anything electronical. ever again. I swear.
You don't expect them to do it?
Nope. It's supposed to be a lifetime guarantee.
Oh, so take it back and care back then.
I'm gonna have the receipt.
Oh.
Look how long you have that. You're not supposed to take receipt for them someday. You're supposed to cure them.
Well, I don't want to put CD in there and play. Never come out and give up to get no bad treatment.
Maybe other people you lend the car to destroy it.
Melon, man.
You know, I've been preying him every single time I drive past
So why you not buying now?
and drive up there. Because we were always on that side.
Then I best side to stop on. You get peas?
If I got peas?
Say if you don't want peas.
Of course I want melon.
Melanie.
Melonian! Mr. Melon Man! Yo, we can't go there? Daddy, get a sweet one, a sweet one. A very sweet one. One nice, sweet, pretty one like the brownie. Sir. Sir, we want the Jamaican rate, not the foreign rate, yeah?
Huh?
I'm telling him we want the local rate, not the foreign rate.
Everybody in Jamaica.
You see it there? You see it there?
2 man call one time.
2 man call him one time. He's very well known, you guys. I'm telling you. Ask anybody about Delride, but don't ask on a woman. If you're a man and you're watching this, don't ask your woman because your woman might know him on a different level. I mean, can't respond for that. Understand? I can't respond for that. Daddy, how much you pay for? How much did you pay for it? Okay, that's good. 100 Jamaican dollars, right?
US.
US.
You're mad.
$1,000 for that.
Are you serious?
Nice, I think.
That's so expensive. Canada, this would be like $5.99. Which is what, like 6 bills? Yeah, it would be like $5.99. But they do it by what? Weight? Here, there, yeah, there you just throw them all in a thing and it's just $5.99. You pick up whichever one you want. I got a melon. I got a melon. I got a melon. Hey, 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 hey. I got a melon. Tidio, don't take none either, and Daddy, don't take none either. They don't eat melons when I'm not here. They only eat these things when I'm here.
Really?
Yes.
I was your talk.
I've never come to your house before and seen no melon.
1 melon me buy which the other day.
Now I just need some pineapple. And I'll be good to go.
They make drinks. Drinks they make with it, pineapple.
No. I wanna make like a watermelon drink though.
Get berry.
Yeah.
I make a
So I
favorite.
like that and the
drink,
pineapple,
berry.
you know, and you only sesame blend that can't find in the same
Is it weird being recorded? No. Look on KFC line. You can tell so today a holiday.
So it don't make sense to call it SAKURA.
Oh my God, that's so funny because when me and Kiana were coming from Dead End yesterday, we were like, she wanted Pizza Hut, so we're like, okay, we'll go to Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut was closed, so we're like, okay, let's just get KFC. When we seen the line, I'm like, I bet you when we get to the front, they're gonna tell us there's no more chicken, so let's just go find somewhere else because KFC, you can line up there from today till tomorrow and you're not guaranteed food in Jamaica. When they run out of chicken, they run out of chicken. And I'll time for them someday coming around with my belly. Arcadian, what's that mean?
I don't want them places on a holiday.
Yeah, but for you guys,
The time when you wait, it's too much.
but I don't know, for you guys, it's like you guys wait till holidays to like, well, that's a good thing. Because over there, holiday or no holiday, it's not really that severe. But then I guess because we have so many different locations too, it's like if you go to one and it's
Yeah, you
for
want
the other
somewhere
one's
else.
like 2 seconds away or something. Man, oh
Zoe,
man,
say the
oh
service
man.
different over there, so because when you have this kind of crowd over
Well,
there,
that's true
so,
too. Yeah,
You know,
they
wait
wouldn't
so
just
long.
keep like one person on a till.
No.
They'd be like, all right,
Once
everyone
I see
go to
crowd
your
increase,
cash. Yeah,
yeah.
everyone go to your cash.
Up
Over
here,
here.
so, I'll see him want somebody and then they're dragging foot same
Yep.
way.
She look for you. I wait for you to talk to her first before she answer you or ask you what you want. And then all when you ask what you want, she go on like say she not hear what you say.
Yep, oh, shit, this podcast ain't.
And thing.
I say not getting on that side.
So terrible in Jamaica.
Nope, it's reverse.
Oh, there's Indians.
Buenos dias.
No, that's not what they speak.
I know,
It's
I
a
know,
good.
I
Oh shit, he heard me.
No, I'll catch the line before I was on the podcast. Oh, I see you never.
He heard me.
Yeah, what did you say?
Daddy, you can park here because to Gio we have a handicap. Oh, you park right there. You park right there.
Oh, yeah, got handicap.
Daddy, to Gio is handicapped sometimes. Or you can park right there. Or you can park right there. Or you can park right there. Or you can park.
Alright.
Bill what? What you want me for bill? Bill what?
Benford.
I slang him and
Oh, Bill.
Follow idiot and turn.
Bill Clinton.
I remember what that one day.
13, in case you forgot. 13 whole years.
14.
It's 13. Remember, he's 13. I'm 26.
Yeah, but your birthday soon come on 14.
That's next year. Let's go. I'm supposed to hold it and come out of the van? Pass my bag, please. We're going to Sakura. Hopefully it's not packed. Thank you, Sugar Pop. All right, so I'm getting Sakura. So that means all that's left is Kentucky Fried Chicken, Island Grill, and jerkies.
Sakura.
No, that wasn't Sakura. That was when I went to Kingston. We went to some place called Little Tokyo or something like that. And what did I get from that? What did I get from it?
You usual. You always eat and put the rest in the fridge.
Don't worry about that. It's mine.
You don't put your one left in the fridge.
Oh, the- oh, crispy. And what is this? And that one? I'll get the spicy.
Try the spice.
Crispy, spicy.
Baby, just make me spoil you. Get anything you like. Long as you alright, then me alright. Me know your man, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes right. You see bump have the proper sign, so back it up, me there behind you. Just slap it mechanized. Snap a random picture, she pretty on any side. Me spoil you. Skin clean, thick ties. Blush bright, so me not my choice. Well. Me dash my money, pan girl every time.
Yeah. Mix of noodle and rice, sweet sour chicken and that's like what?
Mix up the chicken and rice and that's exactly what you sound like. He always has to get the most expensive stuff. So I can feel you breathe. This is Daddy's kind of songs.
So that's not good sound.
I didn't say it wasn't good. I said this is your kind of songs.
Good music. Like yours.
What? Alkaline is good music. Daddy, what are you gonna get? Nothing? Well, you can have some of mine anyways. She's gonna probably end up eating it all. Ah, yeah. Whatever. It looks so white now. Give me that one. Say hi, brother. Say hi, brother.
Hi.
And a piece of ear there, you can't look it.
If it's like this in my face, no, I can't leave it. It's irritating. You say I'm crazy. You know, tune. You know, Santa Jill. When we bust that past daddy, them listen alkaline. And alkaline alone, you know, one whole heap of people.
Farming or something.
Just in case. Just in case. That I didn't get any. People are probably like, this girl's so conceited, walking around with her camera and stuff, you know. Like, why is she walking with her? It's National Heroes Day. This guy doesn't even know, and you go to school here. I asked you what's today. He said Heroes Day. It's national.
You went to tell
National.
them,
I asked you again. No, I asked you again. I said, what? How do you say it? I said, how do you say it? You want us to check in there for the bread?
Oh no, ice cream.
You want ice cream? Come, I'll treat you to ice cream. Daddy wants ice cream. I'll treat my daddy to ice cream. I don't want daddy me get.
Yes,
I think. Yeah. Mommy still wants to do DNA.
Yeah,
and
me
things.
too. She need to. I need to get back all of my money there. Also.
What's your? You know how many fathers wish their daughters loved them, like how I love you. You know how much money I spend to come out here 2 to 3 to 4 times a year to see you? Do you know? So many people don't do that. They don't care.
I know.
Get your own ice cream. I've actually never been here before.
No?
You know, what's it called? What's the place is my place?
Oh, definitely no.
No. You're recording this whole time in my bag. Wow. Anyhow, Jolly Ranker.
You're talking to yourself?
Yep, as always.
You know that?
What happened?
Your children start talking to themselves, you take them to 10th floor.
No. It's when they start answering themselves that you take them to the 10th floor. I could talk to myself, but if I start having a full-blown conversation, then I'm mad. Like in my head, hey Zoe, hey. How you doing? I'm good, how are you? Then I would be crazy. How does it taste? I'm not really an ice cream person.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
You look like something tastes bad.
It's ice cream. Ice cream's gross. If it's not vanilla or chocolate, like, or cookies and cream, I'm not really, you know? So I stick to yogurt. Frozen yogurt is so good. We should have went
When
to...
somebody love yogurt, why they don't love chocolate?
What?
When somebody love yogurt, why they don't love chocolate?
Huh? What? What?
Is there much of a difference?
Between yogurt and chocolate? Or yogurt and ice cream?
Chocolate. Ice cream.
Like what? How are you comparing the two? Yes, Daddy, because ice cream is more... It's more creamy. It's more like... I don't know how to explain it, but it's different. Yogurt, it's more like...
Fruits.
Exactly. It's more fruity-ish.
Real.
Yeah. That's why, I don't know, it just tastes different to me. You want to try it? It just, yeah, it's different. So now we gotta wait for this man to finish his ice cream before we can go.
We're not going.
to see if we can get your bread. And then home. But I ain't thinking I'll go get it back. The way you and Daddy held on to it. You guys should have just got this. It would have been cheaper. You want an ice cream? Well, okay. Can't say no rest.
Every day I eat ice cream, I have ice cream every day.
See, I can't do that. My ice cream will stay in the fridge till it gets like frostbite. Like frost will come up on it. When you open it, all you see is ice. Because it stays in there. Nobody eats it. I don't know why people don't really like or eat Sakura. Sakura is so good. And it's so affordable.
You walk out there and want to see what they look like?
No, I wanted to go earlier. I wanted to be at the beach earlier. Earlier so I could get a tan? I can't tan now. So you know what?
Girl.
You need more? You need more girls?
Now you.
That me? I'm not included in that. Don't include me. Don't mix me up. Okay? Thanks.
That's my scammer them.
Scammer them there. So funny. But yeah, like if they don't...
And then money then use to look, man.
Of course. Money run things. But yeah, if they're not looking at you like you're crazy, they're looking at you to look you. Like, so annoying. Just like yesterday, when I was at Dead End and we were sitting down, this guy came and he seen me recording and he was just like, oh, it looks like you're making a movie. Really, sir? A movie? Does it look like I have no production crew? Does it look like there's anybody special here? Then he's like, oh, what type of movie are you making? And then he sat down right in the water because the water was on the thing and we were sitting down on the cardboard because, you know, we couldn't sit down on the water, but he sit down right in the water, daddy. Everybody panded and started laugh after him because it looked like he peed himself. But it's just because he was too enough. He should have minded his own business. He had his car parked right in front of us. He could have sat down in there, but no, he wanted to fuss into something that had nothing to do with him. And now look, mind your own business.
Then you should have video him. Video the man piece of himself.
I did.
And now I can make a movie.
I did. You know me. I'm very fast with my camera. I just turned that around right away, and it was so funny because he was like, "Oh God, now you got a man with a wet body wiping out his body." Yo, scamming them there.
It's never young boy, I look man boy, I know. And when me, enough of me young years, they could have never get a woman.
So daddy, how do you look a woman? What do you say to her? What is your go-to pickup line?
And as a small look man like up here, them young boy, I look man.
But what is your go-to pickup line?
You ever hear them when you walk on road and something?
Yep. Psst. Psst. For me, it's like, psst. Oh God, if I'm wearing tights, they call out to something. Or, oh God, the sea smells so strong. Jesus, oh my God, they're setting up for short circuit. I want to go tonight. But yeah, they'll be like, yo, Browning, you know say me like you? You know say you look good? You know say me when I'm married to you? Like already? You don't even know? You don't even know me and you're willing to marry me? Like, okay.
They just take everybody vegan.
No, it's because I'm a foreigner and I'm a guaranteed wave. I'm their meal ticket into far. Look at this KFC. I'm their meal ticket. Lord Jesus. This is like the worst one I would like. I hate this one out of all of them.
This one cute because it's in town.
And Pizza Hut is right there too. Well, both of them have Pizza Hut, but still, no. That one.
The one also now you definitely have to drive.
Yeah.
So a lot of people, I see people just on the beach and stay today.
But that I wanted the excitement.
Gone already, you know. remember people have party.
I know you hate it, but still. We could have even went to Hopewell.
Yeah, Hopewell a little bit different. A long time, I'm not going to
Me neither.
I could have been you go to Hopewell the last time. It's like nothing new now in a Montego Bay.
That's a sad thing.
One day I used to have like Carol Cliff, you used
I
to
know.
have more
Cause me and some ladies for December we were trying to plan something. Like they do the whole YouTube thing too. So we were trying to plan something where like the viewers who live here or who are gonna be here could come and do stuff with us for like a day or something. And like I was like, why did Coral Cliffs have to leave? Like that would have been the perfect place because there's karaoke, there's so many things to do, there's the arcade, there's so many things to do. There's not even like a real arcade or anything like that anymore. The only thing that there's activity-wise to do is at Aquasol. There's nothing else to do. It sucks.
the government not encourage business neither to you, man. You want to start on the business and what they want to try it, you can start. The requirements. And then when you set up a business, all the tax.
Well, me I go start up my $99 store, $99 store. Not 99 cents, but $99 store. Everything in there is going to be, should I say $1,000 or less? Or $500 or less? I'm not 100% sure. But I'm going to make it very cheap. I'm going to buy up everything from the dollar store over there and send it out here for stock. For stock, because you guys need a dollar store like how we have a dollar store. You get everything at the dollar store now. Everything.
China, they have $3 store, Mrs.
Yeah, so I want to be a black dollar store.
Be a black Chinese.
Black, no, a black dollar store. Not a black Chinese, a black dollar store. I feel like this is the worst of all days to be at dead end.
Alright.
Let me show you guys.
Can you imagine if you went come here like you went say
I really wish I could show you guys. I can't really see. Daddy, look, there's a woman for you, and she's white.
oh please.
Your favorite kind.
What do you know about my favorite kind?
You're right. I don't know what your favorite kind is.
Oh, you're talking about white.
You have too much favorite kinds. Oh, there's another one. Oh God, Daddy, it's your day. One just passed. Chase. So we'll have like a light brown wedding. Or a mixed wedding or something like that, you know? See? As soon as I pull it on, they see the flash, everybody start look like, I can't!
Sun just gone.
You make us miss everything. There you guys, there's what's left of the sunset.
Gone.
Thank Daddy, you guys. Thank him. Thank him for taking on a job today when he knew we wanted to go out today. But there it is. What's left of it behind the clouds and stuff, you know? Yeah.
Gone on there, right?
Van Back, yeah, me I drive coming to you live and direct from Daddy Van Back. Holiday edition special. See there, we in a Van Back. We there by ourselves. We like we stuck in a traffic. Can't move. Cause a holiday and thing. And rain. Yeah. Catch all when me can catch. When me showing the Jamaica from this point of view. And Ray, one my big friend. Hey, wait, this man you not in no clothes. Ray. Oh, see people that are oh, you can't see it. Anyways. Ray. This is the hip strip.
Them man no girl is free. Let me tell you something if you never know idiot boy and you make she know me. Carry news to gal on a bad man style, nah. Mama da she. Pour out the matter what this me I feel like she screen chat with text send me. She have you as a big yes man. Tell you the man have his spirit. Girl when you hungry can imagine if you fuck man then you bang it for me. Suck your mother umbrella you a story tell her nothing what you say. We no believe. You ain't ruling baby mother with the bumbo clock you say to.
Nah, sick of being a man right now. Me a done so me can't be no man. After me no place I chick roll for long right now. Me a done from that me graduate. Hey, true me say share our man gal a hold position and no one give me no space. Right now election run a ballot recount and a gal out for lose our place. Hey, some gal want make over. After me no take gal, man me take over, take over. Nah, sick of being no left over. After me no take gal, man me take over, take over. Some gal want make over.
Van Back Session, Van Back Chronicles. Now I can't see shit thanks to this freaking light. Yeah, yeah. God, me party. They're probably in their cars like, I wanted that girl, man. I want her. Nothing at night time in Jamaica. Like, oh. Except for me, of course, come here, burning. A joke. A joke. I don't even know where I am. Come didn't go say we're supposed to turn long time, but see it here, Lord Jesus. Woyoy! What is this? Gal Farm? That's the post office. No. See post office here. Post office. Ting. I'm always afraid for driving a van back one time. I never come in and say like, suppose something jump out and bite me or pull me out of the out. Yo, I think some weird things sometimes, yeah. Anyhow, not much you see now, guys. We're going up Long Hill. Well, we're on Long Hill, going up now. So, little more.
Zanwell.